Now we need to get our program to make our reindeers disappear when we click on the mouse, right? Because they're appearing randomly, and I'm clicking my mouse to fire, but the reindeers are not disappearing. So how can we make that happen? Well, what you want to do is come over here to reindeer, and we're going to be looking at when I start as clone. And so this algorithm is a little bit complicated, but let's go through it. And so when you start as clone, well, you want to continuously check to see if I have pressed down on the mouse button. So to continuously check, we would go to control and choose a forever. Right, so we're going to do that right after we play our meow sound, signifying that we've appeared onto the screen. And once we have a forever, we can also begin to check by using the if statement. And what we want to check for is if the mouse is down. So let's come over here to sensing, and if we scroll around, we got the mouse down key. So if mouse down, then what do we want to do? Well, what we want to do is we want to go to control and say delete this clone. Alright, so what is this going to do? It's going to continuously check if our mouse is down. Oh, and we also want to say touching the sprite. So let's come over here and say and. So we have our mouse down and touching the sprite and touching reindeer. Oh, I'm sorry, and touching the bullseye. So we do that and we hit click, and now you can see when I click on the reindeer, they disappear.